Good afternoon, guys. We're coming to you here from Tampa, Florida. Guthrie's Chicken Tenders. Well, sorry. Guthrie's Golden Fried Chicken Fingers. Let me make sure I get it right. It's a chicken tender place similar to, I guess, to like Raising Cane's or Huey Magoo's or Zaxby's, something like that. So we heard about this place. Discovered it actually on a road trip in another part of the country. I looked it up online, saw there was one here in Tampa, and decided, let's come check it out. All right, let's go see what they got. Let's go make some memories. So this was our first time eating here. They actually gave us a sample to try. This is their signature sauce.
That was a sample. That was so nice of them. It's good.
Sauce was good.
Is it?
We didn't think you were able to eat inside. And then the guy, I think he might be the owner, came and brought the little one, her own kid's meal for free. How cool is that?
Smells good.
You're a lady. Okay, what you think of the coleslaw?
It tasted good.
Tasted good?
The cabbage is strong.
You need some of that.
Good bite of coleslaw. It does have a strong flavor, but it's good though. Toast try?
Yes.
Toasty.
Yeah.
Garlic toast was good, nice and toasty. Try a fry. Crinkle fries. Can you ever go wrong with crinkle fries? Not usually.
Oh, hot.
So we're almost done eating. We ended up sharing one of this, big meal. They have a box, and like you said, it comes with like 5 tenders, French fries, a coleslaw, and toast. Toast was good. Coleslaw was a little bit strong for my taste, but it was good flavor. The fries are crinkle fries, nothing different, but they're good. And the tenders are really, really good. Actually, the sauce, their signature sauce, is really good. I really enjoyed it, and I think almost everybody here did too. So, but yeah, overall, like, great experience. I loved it. I would definitely come here and check it out if you guys are in the area, and I think we'll be back too.
Look what I did. The chicken tender standing up in the ranch.
Looks like it's going for a dip.
Yep.
The food was really good. The service here was incredible. If you're in the Tampa area, please come check this place out. It's down on Dale Mabry, south of the interstates. So like if you're going to a Bucks game, come this way first, grab yourself some food, and then head back up to the football game. It's definitely worth it. Amazing food here.
And the service friendly.
Yeah, and the service is awesome. I mean, to give her a whole kid's meal, to give us a sample when we came in the door to try, very cool. The star of the show here is signature sauce. I don't know what's in it, but it is good. It's really good. So this finishes up our visit here to Guthrie's in Tampa. You guys got to come check this place out, man. That signature sauce is killer. Just a side note too, we used the bathrooms before we left. Bathrooms were immaculately clean, which is always a good sign in a restaurant when there's clean bathrooms. That's a helpful tip. You walk in and see a dirty bathroom, you should probably walk out. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it that big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. It lets us know that you want to see more content, you want to be part of our community, which is great. Alright, as always guys, we'll see you soon.